Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a very exciting recipe for you. It's my vegan ramen. Me. I've posted this a few times on my Instagram and I always get messages asking how to make it, so I just thought I would show everyone. It's super easy, but the key to a ramen is all in the base.
So the key to the base is basically the ingredients here. I have ginger puree in a tube, chili pepper in a tube, garlic paste. I used to mess around with real garlic, but I found that the minced garlic just breaks down much quicker in a ramen, and the flavor is like really pungent, which is what you want. I love garlic. This is my secret ingredient, vegetarian fish sauce. It's basically soy sauce with seaweed extract, but it really just, I don't know, takes it to another level. And then of course some soy sauce and sesame oil. You also need a spring onion and any veg that you want to use. Pak choi would be good, but I don't have it. So I've just got some broccoli to use up, some mushrooms, a bit of spinach that I'll put in right at the end.
With regards to the noodles, you can use any noodles you like, but I really love udon noodles and I feel like it really just gives it that Wagamama vibe and just elevates it.
You can of course use like dry noodles that you have to pre-cook, but this is just easier for me. So step one of course is to chop your veg. I feel like the longer we stay in quarantine, the higher up the spring onion I go. Desperate times. I'm going to save this part of the broccoli to put in veg juice. So first up, take just a big slug of sesame oil and heat on. Add in your chopped spring onion. Now, I don't normally measure all the paste and things, but for the sake of this recipe, I'll try to. Say that I normally do a big tablespoon of the garlic paste. I'm just finishing this one up now. This is very much to taste, but I love garlic. Then about a teaspoon of the ginger puree. I add just a little dab of the chili puree. Now for the vegetarian fish sauce, say 2 tablespoons, and then for the soy sauce, we'll say 2 tablespoons for now. You might have to add more. And just turn the heat to like a medium-high heat and let that all cook together. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Me. Okay, so once that's been cooking for a couple of minutes, I'm just going to add in the veg. I've also done this recipe with nice like fake chicken bits, but I didn't have any in today. But once you've got the base down, you can just add whatever you fancy. So I'll just get the veg all coated in the mix and cook it for another minute or two. While that's just cooking, is he still filming?
Yeah.
Okay, while that's cooking, I'm just going to boil our kettle. Open up our noodles. Do I need to tell them this is one serving? I think they know, right? So as you can see, the veg is all kind of part cooked and the sauce kind of starts drying up on the sides. This is when I add the water. I'm making just enough for me, so I add in about an inch of water along the bottom of the pan. Then I add in our noodles and let it all cook together for about 3 minutes. So we'll just pop the lid on and let it simmer. This is an optional step, but recently I've been adding a tiny bit of peanut butter. Like I said, it's just serving for one, so just have the tiniest bit. Like, you don't want it to be too peanutty. Like, you can just like that much. Just dissolve it in. And then I always taste the broth to see if I need to add anything else to it. That's really good. But if you want to add a bit of extra spice, sometimes I do some sriracha too.
Just the original. I really don't measure, sorry. Just however spicy you want it. And at this point I would add in the spinach just to wilt. I'd just do a handful.
You all know spinach goes down into nothing anyway. Basically, as soon as the spinach has wilted, it's ready to serve.
Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out.
And that's it.
Just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know.
It's really good, but I feel like it's a little bit saltier than I normally make it, so maybe a tiny bit less soy sauce. It's all down to taste, but just use the garlic, the ginger, soy sauce, everything as a base, and then adjust the quantities depending on how much you like each of those things.
What do you want, Bella? I don't think you like ramen.
Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.
Walk around like who you, yeah, just something you get used to.